The universe should be crowded. Instead, it appears almost completely silent. That silence may be the greatest mystery in science. By every calculation, somebody should be out there. Yet the universe remains strangely silent. The silence is not a lack of stars. The silence is a lack of answers.
For more than half a century, humanity has been listening. And yet the universe has never clearly answered back. Some believe intelligent life is extraordinarily rare. Others believe the galaxy should already be full of civilizations. The numbers behind this mystery are difficult to ignore. There are more stars in our galaxy than humans who have ever lived.
Many of those stars are billions of years older than the Sun. Some civilizations may have had a billion-year head start. A billion years is difficult for the human mind to imagine. Human civilization occupies only a tiny fraction of cosmic history. On cosmic timescales, humanity arrived only moments ago. If humanity arrived moments ago, who might have arrived before us? The universe had billions of years to run this experiment before Earth existed. Somewhere, intelligence may have begun long before our sun was born. A civilization with a million-year head start would appear almost magical. Yet we see no evidence of civilizations like that. The silence becomes stranger the longer you think about it. Because planets appear to be everywhere. And life may not require anything especially rare. Given enough time, complexity tends to grow. On Earth, complexity eventually learned to think. And once intelligence appears, everything changes. Knowledge accumulates faster than evolution ever could. A civilization can accomplish in centuries what nature needed millions of years to achieve. If intelligence emerged here, why not elsewhere? The question sounds simple. The implications are not. A single civilization could transform an entire galaxy. Given enough time, the signs should be impossible to miss. Yet every search has returned the same result. The universe behaves as though nobody is home.
Some scientists call this the Fermi Paradox.
But perhaps the paradox is not the real mystery. We assume advanced civilizations would leave obvious traces. But progress often becomes less visible, not more.
Power does not always mean scale.
Some of the most important events in the universe are almost invisible. Perhaps we have been searching for the wrong signs. Every civilization begins as a solution to a problem. and every solution creates new possibilities. Knowledge accumulates, capability compounds. Eventually, intelligence begins studying itself. That may be the most important transition of all.
Intelligence began as a survival strategy.
Then it became a tool for understanding. Eventually, intelligence learned to predict. Prediction became power. Power created possibilities evolution never imagined. Every generation inherited more knowledge than the last. Knowledge became humanity's true superpower. Then intelligence discovered something unexpected.
The universe could be understood.
And that may be the strangest fact of all. Every tool humanity created extended its reach. Each new instrument revealed a deeper layer of reality. The closer we looked, the stranger reality became. Patterns began appearing everywhere.
Nature seemed to favor the same solutions.
Then intelligence began studying intelligence. The brain became the next frontier. Billions of neurons somehow create a single experience.
No one knows exactly how that happens. Yet intelligence kept searching. Then, a new possibility appeared. For the first time, intelligence could be engineered. The goal was simple: build a machine that could learn.
The result exceeded expectations. Machines began recognizing patterns humans could not see. Then they began generating new ideas.
Intelligence was no longer limited to biology.
A second branch of intelligence had emerged.
And nobody knew where that path would lead. The deeper question was no longer technological.
What if intelligence is not the destination? What if intelligence is a bridge? A bridge between what exists and what could exist. Every major transition began as an impossible idea. Perhaps another transition is already underway. Not in the stars. Here. The next frontier may be closer than we think. The most important discoveries often begin with a new perspective. And perspective changes everything. The mystery was never only about what is out there. Consciousness may be the most familiar mystery in existence. We know it exists, we do not know what it is. Every generation has tried to explain it. The final page remains unwritten. Perhaps the mystery is deeper than the brain itself. Perhaps we are looking through reality, not at it. Our senses may reveal only part of the story. Every species experiences its own version of the world. Human experience may not be the final perspective. That is where artificial intelligence enters the story. Every powerful instrument changes the questions we can ask. Artificial intelligence may become our most powerful instrument yet. For the first time, intelligence is helping intelligence understand itself. That feedback loop may change everything. Every previous revolution changed civilization. This one may change what civilization is. A new kind of intelligence may be emerging. Not replacing humanity, extending it. The boundary between tool and partner is beginning to blur. And with it, new questions emerge. What happens when intelligence exceeds its creators? What might it discover that we cannot? Every intelligence sees only part of reality. Perhaps new forms of intelligence will see further. The greatest discoveries often reveal deeper mysteries.
Knowledge does not end questions. It multiplies them. What if consciousness is one of those unanswered questions? We can measure the brain. Experience remains private. The hard problem remains unsolved. Perhaps we have been asking the wrong questions. Every age believed it understood reality. Every age was eventually forced to think bigger. Perhaps our generation faces the same challenge. And artificial intelligence may help us see it.
What if intelligence is still in its infancy? What if humanity represents a beginning, not an ending? Every frontier once appeared unreachable. The next frontier may not be physical.
Information may be more fundamental than distance. Perhaps advanced civilizations learn this lesson. Perhaps the destination is not another star. Perhaps the destination is understanding itself. Intelligence may be reality becoming aware of itself. Stars produced planets.
Life produced intelligence. Intelligence produced knowledge. Knowledge produced artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence revealed something unexpected. The same pattern appeared everywhere. In life, in minds, in civilizations, in the universe itself. Perhaps advanced civilizations do not leave the universe. Perhaps they finally understand it.